Hello everyone, GNURadio problems here. So I've been able to successfully make a frequency sweeper over one range of frequencies in GNURadio, and I'm having issues trying to make it scan or sweep two ranges of frequencies. This particular one from 530 megs to 535, and then a gap to start again at 542 to 547 and repeat in an infinite loop. So that's my code, and let's see here, press a play. You'll see what happens is it scans or sweeps the first range and then the second range, and then it will only go and loop the first range over and over again. So yeah, there you go. Let's do that again. So as you can see on there, it will sweep the first range I have, and then it'll go on the second range, and then back to the first range, and keep doing the first range again when it should be going first range, second range, first range, second range in a loop. Can't figure it out. Can you? That'd be greatly appreciated if you could help me. Thank you.